Mess, smell, and bulky bags are where cat litter shopping gets annoying. Here's the best cat litter setup. 3 litters plus 2 cleanup tools. Quick answer. Dr. Elsey's is the value default. Arm & Hammer is for less dusty pouring. And World's Best is the non-clay route. No litter wins every box. Choose by odor, dust, clumps, and storage. For most homes, it's Dr. Elsey's Ultra Unscented. Buy it if you want a plain clay litter that clumps firmly, keeps box odor manageable with regular scooping, and doesn't charge premium litter money. That's the sweet spot. The catch is the bag. It's awkward, bulky, and much nicer if you pour it into a storage bin. You'll also notice dust when adding fresh litter, and stuck what clumps can happen in a neglected pan. Skip it if easy pouring or low dust matters most. If dust and tracking bug you more, go Arm & Hammer Super Scoop Clumping Litter. It's still a clay litter, but the bigger granules make pouring feel cleaner and help keep less litter scattered around the box. The cardboard box is also easier to park on a shelf than a floppy bag. But you give up some clump toughness. Smaller pieces can break off, so scooping may take an extra pass. Skip it if your top priority is rock-solid clumps over a neater pour. For a non-clay setup, pick World's Best Cat Litter Multiple Cat Unscented. It's the practical choice if you want a corn-based litter that still clumps well and doesn't kick up as much visible dust as many clay options. The trade-off is odor stamina. It doesn't hold up as strongly over time as the better clay picks here, and the poured litter can have a grainy, earthy smell. Also, don't treat flushable wording as a green light for cat waste. Skip it if odor control is the whole mission. To make daily scooping faster, add the DurAnimals DuraScoop Original Cat Litter Scoop. The wide, sturdy head is made for bigger boxes, larger clumps, and prying up stuck spots without babying the tool. Its limit is size. It can feel heavy when loaded, the wide slots may miss tiny dirty bits, and it won't fit every little built-in holder. Four-corner cleanup. Pair in the iPrimio non-stick litter scooper. It's the better tool when you want a slimmer metal scoop that catches smaller debris and works into tight box edges. The trade-off is speed. It clears less litter per pass, and the narrow slots can clog with damp litter, even with the coating helping reduce buildup. Quick split. Most homes, Dr. Elsey's. Less dusty pouring and less tracking, Arm & Hammer. Non-clay setup, World's Best. Then add the big scoop for fast daily cleanup, or the slimmer scoop when corners and small bits are the annoying part. Before you buy, check the boring stuff. Can you lift and pour the package? Do you have a sealed bin? Will your scoop fit the box? And no litter stays pleasant without regular scooping. If you're unsure, start with Dr. Elsey's. Switch to Arm & Hammer if dust and tracking annoy you more than softer clumps. Go World's Best if avoiding clay matters. Then add the scoop that matches your cleanup style. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.